By creating detailed, three-dimensional models of archaeological sites, researchers can simulate how sound would have behaved in these spaces thousands of years ago. The great Theatre of Epidaurus in Greece, for example, has been extensively studied to understand how its remarkable acoustic properties allowed actors to be heard clearly by audiences of thousands without amplification. This technology helps us imagine not just what ancient music sounded like, but how it would have been experienced by contemporary listeners.